guys, it is raining and we're going to venture out. We've got to start securing everything for a storm coming in today. It's Friday, March 3rd, and that's that. We are getting some piglets today, some 6-week-old American guinea hogs. I tried to get that on video for you guys, but we've got to get them nice shelter, whatever. We're building it right. I mean, I knew it flooded there before, but that's that. Hopefully the chickens are smart enough to stay inside today. I add some more bricks on this metal here to keep it down. I have a feeling the wind's going to be coming from that direction like always. We do have to get the tractor and secure the trampoline. The kids want that tied down, so after we're checking all the animals and everything, I'll do pigs last because they're going to be super muddy. Oh my god. Oh, my fire bricks are getting wet. It's not good. Dang it. I'm going to put those in the stove. It's not right. Oh, come on. It's coming down even more now since I get in here. Every time I get in this greenhouse, the rain picks up. So, tomatoes are pitching a little bit. Looking okay. These will probably go out in the secondary market garden plot. We got our peppers back here going. I moved them out. Celery's still going. I got more seeds started. I don't know. I just don't have time to. When the power go out. But anyway, got distracted. Our beans. All of our beans are still coming in. We got a new tomato plant here in the center. So it should be fun. I'm feeling this whole good. Okay, I'm holding off on getting the tractor. We'll wait for the rain to let up a little bit. It's cold. It's that cold, nasty rain. Let's go check on the pigs, I guess, real quick. We're worried about today's going to be probably our second highest wind gust that we've had in this greenhouse. They're calling for 60 plus around 3 o'clock. So if I can, I'll bring you guys out there for it. Bring you guys in here. Hold up. Out there in the rain. Alright, so we're supposed to get 3 inches of rain, and I was curious on how this rabbit colony would hold up as far as flooding, because our whole field floods anyways. And when I came in, they were up, which is good, building this section here because they're up high off the ground. As you can see, water's already starting to pour in on the corners. Fed them real quick, got them some water. Got some puddles here. Oh, I'm sinking. Oh yeah, this is all. Looking here, at least in here, they're dry. There's some leaking. But, I mean, it's gonna happen. I can't keep it totally dry. At least the middle of it's dry. That's good for them. They were shielded from the wind today. In the rain, they got this high spot that's good. That was my biggest fear of them not have any safe place to go. I mean, they could jump on the hay bale, but we're throwing pear box. You okay, girl? You gonna eat? All right. All right, now we can go check on the pigs since they're good. They got their water. Let me get you guys back out here. They're not too. They're still getting wet. His pin's still flooding. We're just gonna have a mess to deal with. I'm gonna add some straw to both of them, so they have somewhere dry. But I'm getting in until the rain dies down. I'm gonna do the straw, end you guys right here, and then I'll bring you guys back when we go get our piglets. And for the greenhouse, if the wind gets extreme like they say, I'll take you guys in there and show you. Guys, we got a break in the rain. No mic, no tripod. I got to finish securing some items down here. The kids' trampoline almost lifted away earlier. So I'm going to get the tractor. Oh gosh, I need rubber boots. I'm going to get the tractor and scare it down. Right now I've got to get through this river. You can see where it looks, the trail of it. The water's coming. It's crazy. We'll check the fence. It's still standing. That's good. I'd hope so. I buried those posts about 2 feet down. So, yeah. Right now, I'm just in the greenhouse. I'm firing up the wood stove because we're supposed to get down to 33 tonight. With all the standing water in here, everything's gonna freeze probably. So, good thing is we got free water. That's burning. That's just paper, fire starter. Kids' school papers and all that. But at least I got free water. I'm gonna scoop some of this out and put it in some buckets and set some of the plants in here real quick to get water and then put them back on the shelf. So, that's what I'm doing right now. Figured if I got the stove going and staying warm, it would be easier to get a good burn for tonight. So I might go and get one of those 4-hour logs. I usually don't get those unless I really need to, like an emergency. I'm starting this fire and I'm struggling, you know, to keep it going. So I'll probably get one of those. Those work pretty good for me. But yep, I'm gonna go in. We're on our way to go get those American guinea hogs. We don't have the piglets. We don't have an animal trailer to haul them, but it's fine because we have animal minivan. So that's what we're going to use because that's what we got. So I think I got the fourth wheel. There's that. Then we got an old air mattress we put in. Just keep everything. We had to pick the worst day to go do this. Storm's coming in. There's our animal transport. Big old minivan. Let's go get some guinea hogs. Piglets. Guinea piglets. Alright guys, you can't see me, but that was a trip. We got the hog, the guinea pigs, the piglets, but with all this weather and down trees, my camera's almost dead, so I don't have a light, but these guys are 6 weeks old and they are just little cuties. So I think we're going to move them in the house tonight, just because it being everything wet, the straw is wet and cold tonight. I don't want to put them in there on wet straw. It's supposed to get down to 33 tonight, which is stupid. So tonight we're going to put them in the kitchen. We'll leave them in the cage Put some doggy pads around the cage. That way they're nice and warm, give them some food and water. And that's it. I wish I could get a better picture, but brought you guys out here. We finally got the babies outside. They were inside. I got food and water and change out their light bulb tonight. So this might be overkill, but that's how we do it. You dumped it. Hold on, I'm not gonna get you. I won't lock myself in here. Here a second. Alright, so now we just gotta water Ziggy. It's gonna be my first time going in the cage with him in the pen enclosure since we got him. We almost have our area done for him and the other hogs and pigs to go out in. So here we go. Here we go. What's up, Zig? Alright, guys. That's fine. Ziggy's got his food. We went with wet food today. Ferment. So we'll go in and clean his pen out. Clean his pen out tomorrow. Now I just got to get some water for the chicks. A little wall up all the way around the base of it there. Just to make them more hidden from all the predators we have out here. which is mainly possums, coons. Alright guys, that's going to do it on this video. And we'll see you guys on the next one. I hope you enjoyed. I don't know what I'm going to put this one with. I think it's with us picking up the piglets. There's so many videos I got that need to go. I'm like a week and a half ahead. So, yeah, guys, take care. See you next time.